We have very high expectations of our students in GCSE maths. We know how important maths is as a subject, therefore our aim is to really get our students to develop their knowledge and understanding of mathematical models and concepts. What we want them to do when they finish the course is to be able to not just pass the GCSE maths, but also to be able to make these connections and what we call these functional elements of maths in everyday life and real life situations. They can expect to develop their problem solving strategies, apply their mathematical techniques, develop their mathematical reasoning, improve their mathematical deductions and inferences, being able to draw conclusions. What we want them to do is have a holistic idea about how to apply maths through a variety of different scenarios and contexts. So here at WMG we run a 2-year GCSE maths qualification for all our students. The idea behind the GCSE course is to ensure that there are 6 main areas where they focus on and improve their knowledge and understanding. Those areas include number, algebra, geometry, measures, statistics and probability. Now when the students join us in year 10 we assess them and then we put them into 2 tiers. The higher tier, which covers the levels 4 to 9, and the foundation tier 1 to 5. So they will have at least 4 hours of teaching a week, and what the students can expect during that teaching is lots of assessments which will ensure that we understand that they are progressing in the right way. At the end of the 2-year course, GCSE Maths exams encompass 3 written exam papers, 2 calculate papers and 1 now calculator, each contributing 1/3 to the overall grade. The papers will be tiered, so foundation will be levels 1 to 5 and the higher tiers levels 4 to 9. Each paper lasts for an hour and a half and there are 80 marks in each paper. Now the assessment objectives and weightings of each papers are broken down as follows. So for the higher tier, 50% is using and applying standard techniques, 25% is reasoning interpretation, and 25% is solving problems within maths. For the foundation tier, the objectives are broken down into 40% for applying standard techniques, 30% for reasoning interpretation, and the other 30% for solving problems. Our department advice is very simple. We use a philosophy in maths, and that is practice makes permanent. So we're always encouraging our students to make sure that they put in lots of practice, practice, practice. GCSE Maths encourages students to develop confidence and positive attitude towards maths, and that's what our aim is here to do. And students can make sure they achieve that objective by engaging with all their teachers, following advice from the teachers, but also asking for support when necessary. There's a lot of media-rich content out in the world which students have access to, so there's a plethora of YouTube videos which really give lots of good information, and most of them are created by teachers, so very appropriate. In addition to that, there are a whole range of different websites which allow access to GCSE resources, materials, exam papers, and we encourage all our students to engage with those. GCSE Maths is a very, very important subject. We understand that employability in the future, a lot of it within the engineering field does depend upon maths, so success at maths is a key. But also at higher institution levels, maths is considered as a very strong academic subject, and those students who achieve a good grade will get themselves the opportunity to get on some really good courses.